to a gutter rabbit. First, stick your hand in there.
Here, get out of the way of the camera a little bit so the camera can see.
Yeah.
This is a liver.
Here's a pea bladder.
Yeah, don't touch that yet. Yeah, it's gonna break. All right. Just start ripping the liver and stuff. That's a liver.
Liver?
Yeah,
This is liver.
You can eat that. People eat that. Okay. What's this, Braden?
I forgot.
Kidney.
Kidney. Yeah.
Yeah.
That was something bad.
Now you go up for the heart and lungs. You have to break that membrane. The diaphragm. Can I help you? That stuff's hard to rip out. I'm gonna hold it open so you can see. There's the heart. And the esophagus.
She wants to see a rabbit get murdered.
Oh.
Oh, here's a heart.
Did my snake eat that rabbit yet?
Here's a heart.
No, yeah, it's already,
Okay, Brayden.
it's already digested.
Here's a heart.
It's just sitting there.
Okay. We're filming this right now.
I want to be
Yeah, but it's already digested.
Okay, go.
It's already swallowed.
Yeah.
Only
Yeah, that's the poop. That's the poop chute.
Oh. Oh.
Didn't rabbit poop inside
Poop
there?
shoot. Poop shoot.
Here, okay, I gotta.
I get blood
Did you get all this out of here?
He likes
Pretty
getting
much
blood
all the
over
good stuff.
him. You know what? I'm taking this off. I'm
Is it
sorry.
coming?
I'm just not taking
got
a
it.
chance.
But is there any more big? Look inside here. Is there any more big stuff floating around?
I'm not taking the chance to get blood on my coat.
Okay. That's okay. All right.
Wow.
Now.
Brayden,
Pull
you might
the
want to
sheet
take off your favorite jacket.
Okay, you got this. That's good.
Ladder.
Man, I didn't know blood was so bright. And
Rip
you
that
stepped
right
on it, Addison. Addison stepped on the blood.
It's gonna soak it into you.
What?
Pull
What's
it
the
real
rabbit?
hard. Rip it.
What was the
Is
rabbit?
it dead?
No.
What?
Straight down, throw it back.
Because it was moving. I didn't know what it was. It could have been a snake.
Pull hard.
And I was like,
Pull hard. Pull hard.
is that the next one being murdered?
I don't know. They don't have the next. There's no next one. We just.
Well, then why is that one in a special box?
Okay. We got most of the good stuff.
Oh.
Why is that one in a special box?
Okay. Don't play with the bladder. That's gross.
Ew! Why is this one in a special box?